Hello students, welcome to online class. Students, how are you? Yes, I am also fine. Students, during your holidays, eat healthy food and keep your body become healthy. Okay students, you already learnt in previous class, unit 4, water and atmosphere. Yes? Okay, what is water? So one of the necessary things for human beings or every living beings, we need water. Yes? Then what is atmosphere? What is mean by atmosphere? See your surroundings. Students, see your surroundings. Yes, the blanket of air on the earth's surface is called atmosphere, right? The blanket of air on the earth surface. எர்த்தோட surface ஒரு போர்வை மாதிரி ஏர் ஃபில் பண்ணிருக்கதா என்னது atmosphere. That means காற்று மண்டலம். Okay? So, what is the name of the topic? Unit 4, water and atmosphere. Okay students? Okay, every day before we start the class, we do one clapping exercise, right? Yes, I am also ready. Okay. 1, 2, 3, eyes on me. 1, 2, 3, eyes on me. Okay. Students, the aim of today's class is, you will guess it. Yes, you already learned water cycle. There are 4 steps of water cycle. Yes. Today class, we will learn importance of fresh water. What's the aim today? Importance of fresh water. Importance of fresh water. Okay students, what's the aim of today's class? Importance of fresh water. See the slide once again. What's the name of the topic? Unit 4, water and atmosphere. Second one, the subtopic of today we will learn importance of fresh water. Fresh water, okay? Students, what is meant by fresh water? You guys any idea? So, water is one of the most common resources or natural resource. Water is one of the natural resource and survival of human beings on earth. Yes? So, we have already learned in unit 2 what is germination. Plants need water for germination and animals need water for different various purposes. Okay? So, today class we will learn importance of fresh water. Right? Okay students. What is meant by fresh water? Students, where do we get water first? Where do we get water? Yes, very good, excellent answer. We get water from the rain. We get water from the rain. Rain is one of the natural resource gift by God. Yes. So you already learned water cycle. We get water from the rain. Yes. So there are 2 types of water are present on earth. One is fresh water and another one is very good, excellent answer, salt water. Okay, salt water. Students, water is divided into 2 types, fresh water and salt water. Okay, so where is salt water found? Where is salt water found? Yes, seas and oceans. Very good, seas and oceans. Where is fresh water found? Yes, very good ma. Fresh water are found in different type of water bodies, ponds, lakes, rivers. Yes, ponds, lakes, rivers. So fresh water are found in ponds, rivers, lakes. But salt water are only found in seas and oceans. Right? Students, so fresh water is available on earth. Or how many percentage you can Guess it. This is the earth. Students, see the model. What is this? This is the model of globe. Okay, our earth planet. Okay, so which color is mostly covered on the earth surface? Which color is mostly, see the model? Which color is mostly covered with the earth surface? Yes, they are blue in color or covered with most in earth surface. Okay, so the blue color represents seas and oceans. Blue color represents seas and oceans. Otherwise, these colors are represent the land surface. Land surface on earth. So, do you know, understand the model? What is the concept? Yes, our planet has more water than land surface. Our water has more water than the land. Okay, students? So, students, what is the color of salt water and fresh water? The water is colorless or any color have it? The water has any color? No. Yes, very good. I take one fresh water. Okay, the first type of water, and I take the second type of water. They don't identify that. What is the color of that? They don't say fresh water. They don't say fresh water. Okay, it is colorless. It is colorless. But see that that one say blue in color. That one says sea water, salt water. Okay, that one is fresh water, and that one is sea water. It is blue in color. It looks like blue in color, sea water and fresh water. Okay, students, there are two types of water: sea water and then fresh water. Okay, sea water and then fresh water. Okay, students, fresh water and sea water. Okay. So, what is mean by fresh water? What is mean by fresh water? You have any idea? You have any idea? So, fresh water means the water that is containing salt. The water that is not containing the salt. The water that is not containing the salt is called fresh water. Okay, they are found in river, lakes, ponds. Okay, second one, what is meant by salt water? The water that is containing more amount of water that is containing more amount of salt. More amount of salt. Students, you can guess it. Which one is used for humans? Which type of water is used for humans? Regular use. Very good. Fresh water only used for humans. Why? Fresh water only used for humans. Why, ma? Very good. Because the salt water is containing more salty. Okay. So the salt water cannot use for any purpose. Okay. So people are used only fresh water in all the purposes. Okay, students. So there are two kinds of water: fresh water and salt water. Fresh water means the water that is not containing the salt, not containing the salt. Salt water means the water that is containing more amount of salt. Okay, students. So our earth has more amount of salt water compared to the fresh water. Okay, students, our earth has, see the model. So the blue color represents, okay, the blue represents sea water, seas and oceans. Okay, only fresh water found in lakes, ponds and rivers. Okay, students? Students? That is one of the main point. If all the water on earth was divided into 100 parts, okay, the earth water surface is totally, what is the shape of the earth? Yes, it is spherical in shape. Very good. Okay, the earth is found in only, so your earth water found in fresh water is only found in 70%. 70% of the water surface on the earth is divided into 100 parts. So 70% of water is sea water and another it usable fresh water to human beings would be 3 parts. 3 parts. Totally 100 parts, ma'am. Okay. So 7 parts, 70% is fully covered with salt water and another 3%, 3 parts are covered with fresh water. Okay, only fresh water, remaining 3%. Okay, students. So the earth has totally divided into 100 parts. The water surface on earth is 100 parts. Okay, but usable fresh water for only 3 parts. How many parts? 3 parts. Okay, that is one of the main point. Okay, so 3 parts. Most of the fresh water are lacked in polar region. Most of the fresh water are lacked in ice as polar regions. Remaining only 1% of fresh water is humans use. Okay, totally 70% of water is salt water on earth. Remaining other 20% is 20%, 29% is lacked in polar regions. Okay, then remaining 1% of that is fresh water can available on earth. Okay, so the fresh water are used in various purposes in our life. Yes, students, what is the uses of fresh water? Yes, very good. First purpose is drinking. First one, drinking. Then plants and water, drinking. First one, what is the first use of water? Drinking purpose. Okay, first one, drinking purpose. First one, humans and animals use for drinking. Okay, what is the second purpose? The plants are used in, students, once again summarize the points. Name of the topic, water and atmosphere. What is the today aim of class? Importance of fresh water. Water is divided into two kinds, salt water and fresh water. So fresh water is found in lakes, rivers and ponds, but salt water is found in seas and oceans. Okay, so what is meant by fresh water? Water that is not containing the salt. Water that is not containing the salt or without salt is called fresh water. What is meant by salt water? The water that is containing more amount of salt is called salt water. Okay, the total earth surface only 100 parts. The water surface divided into 100 parts. Only human beings are using 3 parts. Okay, how many parts? 3 parts fresh water are available on earth. Okay, students. Next we go to the topic how we waste water. How we waste water. Next we go to the topic water wastage. Students, how we waste water, ma'am? What is meant by waste water? Water wastage. What is meant by water wastage? What is meant by water wastage? Can you guess the answer? Yes. When we use more water, than we need for our work is called water wastage. Okay, once again recall, when we use more water we need our work is called water wastage. தண்ணீரை வீணாக்குவது. Okay, va? So even when we know how little fresh water is available to us, we still waste it so many ways. Yes, so let us look at the some of the ways in which we waste water. Okay, some of the slides are available in that, so see the slide. See the slide. The tools of fresh water are found in lakes or ponds, anyone. Okay, it will say sea water. So how we waste water? See that, see the first slide, taking a bath. Okay, the man used a shower, using the shower instead of a bucket to bath, so automatically the water is waste. In this activity the water is waste. Yes, using the shower instead of a bucket. Okay, so how to save the water in this activity? Use a bucket. Okay, not use a shower. So this man using the shower instead of a bucket, so water is wasted. See the second one, watering plants. Watering plants, that is a good way. So some members use a hose pipe to watering the plants. People are using a bucket only. Okay, some members use a hose pipe, so lots of water is wasted in the ground. So this one is the correct way. So we need water cleaning our home also. Cleaning our home. Some of the fresh waters are available on here. So we use in our daily life for different purposes in water. Take a bath, watering the plant and cleaning our home. See that, cooking food, washing clothes, to drink. Okay, so we can available some of the uses in water in our daily life. But how can we waste water, ma? First one, using the shower instead of a bucket to bath. Second one, watering plants using a water pipe. Okay, second one, watering plants using a water pipe. What is the first one? Using shower. Using the shower instead of a bucket. Second one, watering plants. Watering plants using a hose pipe. HOSE, hose pipe. Okay, hose pipe. Okay, watering plants using a hose pipe is one of the way of water wastage. Okay. Third one, keeping the tap open. Keeping the tap open while brushing our teeth. While brushing. While brushing our teeth. Bathing or washing hands. Any activity, then keeping the tap always is one of the water wastage. What is the fourth one? Not maintaining broken water pipelines. Water pipelines. Some of the members in our home broken the water pipelines. Yes. So the children are playing broken water pipelines. So avoid it. That was one of the way of water wastage. Okay. And fifth one is playing water. Fifth one is play with water. Small children always playing with water. So that was one of the way of water wastage. Okay. So many water wastage you can see in our surroundings in our daily life. So avoid it the activity. So you save the water is necessary things for today generation. Yes. So first one, take a shower. Take a shower is avoid it. Okay. Second one, using a water pipe or hose pipe during the watering plant, avoid it. Okay, only use a bucket. Third one, keeping the tap open while brushing our teeth. Okay, brushing our teeth. For example, I show one picture. See that ma? So that one is one of the water wastage. Yes. See the picture. See the picture. So you always keep your tap open while brushing our teeth and washing our hands. Anything. Okay. Students, once again, there are so many ways we waste water in our daily life. First one, using the shower instead of bucket in your bathroom. Second one, watering plants using a hose pipe. Okay, you can avoid it. Third one, keeping the tap open while brushing our teeth and washing our clothes. Fourth one, not maintaining broken water pipelines. The children are playing. Some of the children are playing very naughty. So you can break broken water pipelines. So you can avoid it. Okay, save the water. Fifth one, playing with water in your holidays. So you can avoid it, the activities, the water wastage. Okay. Okay, students. Now we see the assessment part. See the slide. So, students, do not waste water. This main important necessary things in your life. Okay. So save water. So see the assessment part. Before we start the students, before the assessment part, we do one clapping exercise. 1, 2, 3, eyes on me. Okay, see the worksheet, ma. See the worksheet, page number 62. See the worksheet, page number 62. Importance of fresh water, worksheet number 5. First question, in the table below. Students, see the first question. In the table below, write the uses of water for each living being. You can guess the answer, ma. In the table below, write the uses of water for each living being. First one, human beings. Write the uses of water for human beings. Very good. Drinking, bathing, washing clothes, washing utensils, cleaning the room. Yes, you can write the answer. Second column, write the uses of water in plants. What for? Plants. The uses of water for plants. Yes, during the photosynthesis, very good. The process of photosynthesis, the plants need water. Third one, animals. The use of water for animals for drinking purpose. Very good. See the second question. From the pictures below, tick the sources of fresh water. Some of the pictures are given in the worksheet. Well, river, ocean. Well, river, ocean. You identify the sources of fresh water. Fresh water enga irukum அப்படின்றத identify பண்ணு. You can tick it. Okay. First one, well. Yes, very good. Fresh water is available in well, so you can tick it. Second one, river. Yes, very good. That is the correct answer. Fresh water is available on river, so you can tick it. Third one, ocean. Okay, road. No, it's a wrong mark. The ocean is fully covered with salt water. Yes. Come to the third question. Out of 100, how much fresh water is available on earth? Students, out of 100, how much fresh water is available on earth? Very good. Fresh water is available on earth. Only 3 parts. How many parts? 3 parts. Okay. The last question. What is salt water? Why can we not use it? What is salt water? Very good, my excellent answer. The water that is containing more amount of salt is called salt water. The water that is containing more amount of water or more amount of salt is called salt water. Why can we not use it? Yes, we not use it. The salt water is not available because it is very salty. It is very salty. Okay, students, that is the today's homework. Do the worksheet number 5 for today's homework. Okay, okay, students. Some of the pictures I can see that. See that that is an example of water wastage, right? See that second one. Keep the tap open. The man is use a large amount of water. So there is another link. The keeps taps always open. Cleaning the utensils. Cleaning the vessels. Keeps the tap open. That's one of the water wastage. So students, you can avoid the water wastage. That is the today concept. Okay students, you can maintain in your life also. Okay. Today class is over. Do the worksheet number 5 carefully. Okay students, thank you. Thank you students.